Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add people during a FaceTime group video call on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on FaceTime. Next, in FaceTime, start a FaceTime video call. So here I'm going to start a FaceTime video call. Okay, so during a FaceTime conversation, you want to add in more people. What you do is you tap on this information button and then tap on add people. In here, add in the people that you want to include in the FaceTime video call. So after you tap on the add button to select a contact from the list, then tap on add people and then tap on ring. And once they started to respond, tap on done, and now you can see you have added more people to the FaceTime video conversation. And that's it. So you can continue to add in more people by tapping on the information button. You can add up to 32 participants in a FaceTime group video call. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up or end the call. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.